My name's Drew. I am a senior in mechanical engineering. This is my fourth year on the hybrid vehicle team.
And I'm Brian. I'm a third year mechanical engineering major. I'm part of the mechanical team, and this is my second year on the team.
Okay, my first question is, what projects have you guys been working on so far?
I've been working on integrating a centrifugal clutch into the vehicle. This will be replacing the one-way clutch that we utilized last year. The one-way clutch would overrun while we were using the EV1 to power the vehicle, and then would lock up and when we're using it with the Weber as a genset. With the centrifugal clutch, we'll be able to slip as the clutch slowly engages, and this will have less of a shock loading on the drivetrain of the vehicle.
And this year I've been working on the new gearbox for the UQM motor we're getting. Problem with the ERDM we had last year was that it didn't quite work out for us. So the EcoCar organizers were nice enough to give us a new motor. So we had to, I had to make a gearbox that would house the gear reduction. So.
Okay. And the second question is, what difficulties have you guys had in the past?
For the centrifugal clutch, we're actually using a clutch from a motorcycle, which I was fairly unfamiliar with before the beginning of this year. I wasn't really sure what parts connected to what shaft and what moved in order to engage what, so I've had to learn a lot about not only how a traditional motorcycle clutch would work, but then also how a centrifugal application of a motorcycle clutch could work and how we could utilize it in our vehicle, which obviously is a much different application than what you'd find on a Kawasaki or Harley or a regular motorcycle.
For my project, the biggest difficulty is probably not having the actual motor to work with, and I don't have that much experience in designing and actually building something, so it's a learning curve as I actually work in this project. So I'm getting a lot of help from people like Drew and Glenn and other people on the team. So.
Okay. And the last question is, how are you guys planning on to solve these difficulties?
I talked to Glenn to learn more about what should be connected to what shaft and whatnot. This will make it a lot easier for me to actually visualize it in my mind and try and integrate it into the existing application that we have, because basically all the integration components between the Weber, the transmission, the EV1 are already designed, and I'm trying to take out the one-way clutch, put in this centrifugal clutch, and make sure that it works with minimal modifications to everything.
For my project, I actually just sort of completed the CAD design of it. I just did the best I could do with like the technical drawings that I could find online on the UQM's website, and then I went to Glenn for a lot of help, and he was really helpful in directing me into the right direction.
Okay, thank you.